Rose fam, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new, and Rose fam, you know I love you. Thank you so much for your love and support, and thank you for clicking on another video. Y'all, we're going to be cleaning out this refrigerator. I swear it's the one thing that just has to be cleaned over and over. I get to putting Tupperware in there, then I don't feel like cleaning it out. It's a work in progress. So anyway, guys, I did purchase some of the storage containers. Hopefully, I'll be able to use them in the space. I'm not sure if I'll use all of them. I do have quite a few of them, so I'm not sure if I'll use all of them, but all right, guys, so we're gonna clean out this refrigerator. So if you need some cleaning motivation, some organization motivation, then please continue watching. All right, fam, I am finally doing it. I think that cleaning the refrigerator is one of my least favorite chores. And y'all, I don't even know how the refrigerator holds so much stuff. Like, you've got 100 bottles of sauce and there's always like a duplicate of something. I don't know why. I mean, you could literally see it. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get the refrigerator emptied out so that we have a fresh, clean start. Okay, fam, like where? Like, tell me where and why is there so much junk in my refrigerator? Like, I don't even understand it, y'all. I literally, it looks like a grocery store. I don't know what's happening, but I'm so glad to be cleaning it. And here we go. I'm showing you all the drippings and crumbs and stuff like that that accumulates under all that stuff in the fridge. I can't wait to get this stuff all cleaned up. And I guess we'll get started with some good old bleach. So in just a minute, I'm going to fill a bowl up with some hot water, some bleach, and some Dawn soap, and I am going to get busy. Okay, fam, comment down below, what is your cleaner of choice when you're tackling these projects? Okay, so now that I've allowed that to soak with that bleach water and scrubbed it down with my sponge, I'm going to go back in with my microfiber towel and just wipe it off. So as I showed you guys at the beginning of the clip, these are the storage bins that I purchased. The majority of them are from Marshall's. There are one or two that I did get from Home Goods a little bit before, maybe a couple weeks ago. But since they are new, I am going to go ahead and get them also wiped down with some of that bleach water. And I'm going to set them just in the dishwasher to kind of drain a little bit before using them. Okay, fam, let me just tell you now, I was so confused. I did not know. I've never had to actually use storage containers. I love the look of it. I've always wanted to use them. So I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm trying several different options. Y'all, I'm stuck on the juice. Like, I don't even know how I want the juice to be. So anyway, I tried several different ways, and with our refrigerator, it's one of those little big ones or big little ones. You know, it looks like you have space, but then it's oddly proportioned where if you need like a high spot somewhere else, you really lose space in the other places. So I had such a hard time trying to fit in the size of the storage container. I definitely, lesson learned, should have paid a little bit more attention to the actual sizing of our refrigerator and bought the containers accordingly. I just went in and kinda eyeballed what I thought I needed and what I was going to use them for, and I went from there. But in the future, I will definitely pay more attention so that I can kind of customize what I need a little bit more. But overall, I did enjoy the outcome of what it looks like.
About how you feel so right. Been dreaming all night. Could you be mine? We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die.
As you can see, most of the bottles ended up back on the door, which I really don't mind them on the door as long as it is a clean space, as long as it's neat and clean. And I fit what I could in the containers, and the rest I just put away.
Oh, it's done, it's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. The things you're doing to me, it's like something out of a movie. You see right through me, it's like you already knew me. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy, baby. Come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna
Now, I do have to say, this is one of the drawers where I find the most wasted money in produce, because I'll buy more, whether it be green pepper, tomato, onion, I'll buy more, stick it on the top, or just throw it in the drawer. Meanwhile, there's some at the bottom that are still good and I haven't used, but I end up using what's on the top. So I am really excited to get a better organization system for this.
Finger like a piece of string, I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love,
Okay fam, so for those of you who haven't seen this type of a storage container, this is supposed to keep your fruits and vegetables fresh. So if you have veggies in there, you're supposed to keep the holes closed. If you have fruits in there, you're supposed to keep them open. And this I did get at Marshall's, I'm sorry, Home Goods.
I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. Get like this.
All right fam, so this is the final look of our refrigerator. I am extremely pleased with how it turned out. It is still very neat, functional, and organized, and I am super happy. Don't click off yet. I still have tons of cleaning motivation for you as I empty out and load the dishwasher with all those containers that I took out of the refrigerator.
Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something.
Alright fam, here we go with just a couple more minutes left on the video. I am going to get this Tupperware emptied out and put into the dishwasher on the high sanitized setting. Since they kind of was in there and a lot of them were greasy, I could just use my bleach water, but I kind of want the hot setting. All the blue containers that you see are the what are they, when you meal prep. I've just been using them to store, because they're super compact, so just store food from the pots. I don't really like to keep pots in the fridge. It does happen sometimes, but anyway guys, I hope that you enjoyed this clean, organized, and declutter of our refrigerator. I hope that it provided you with some motivation to get yours done. And guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, please head over there now. I do try to post a little bit more. I'm still getting used to Instagram, but if I've got questions or you have questions, we can be just a little bit more connected over there. So head over there, give me a follow, and let me know that you're there, and let's chat guys. All right fam, love you guys. Thank you for coming back for another video, and thank you for coming if you're new.